Hello and welcome to a new episode from Zyxel Support Campus. Today I want to introduce the GS1915 to you. We have two models in the series, which is an 8-port model, one with and one without PoE powering. You can install the device very easily using the Nebula Cloud Management, but you have also the opportunity to use it as a standalone switch. Let's have a look what is inside the box. In the box you find the device with a quick start guide and the warranty card, a power supply with EU plug face, rubber feet, plug and screws for wall mount. Please note that the screws are not too distant from the wall and they don't hit the mainboard. Also, there's no rack mount kit for 19-inch mounting in the box. The device can only be used for table mounting. The EP model comes with a bigger power supply and 8-port with 60 watt PoE budget. To install the device on the Nebula Cloud, you need a few steps to install the device. Let's have a look how this works. On the company website you find all information about the device. To get the Nebula Cloud Management, download the application on your mobile phone in the Google Play Store or Apple Store. It's easy to install and let's see how it works. The Nebula app installs your device in 4 simple steps. It's the same for access point, firewalls or switches as we show here in this video. First you have to create an account or log in with an existing account. Then you create a site and a country with time zone and scan the QR code from the box of your device. In the next step, the device is registered to your account. Then you start operating your device so it's connected to the internet and the dashboard will show you that the device is online. For access point and firewalls there may be extra settings to apply. With these few steps the device is added to your Nebula Cloud Management and now you can arrange the settings for all your devices. It's easy to raise your small business ecosystem with Nebula. The GS1915 can be combined with NWA50AX or 55AXE and a USG Flex 100 to a small business or home network. The standalone modus is also possible with this device. There's no cloud management, but you can use it as a normal switch in your home or small business network. Let's see how this works. To get help for your product, visit our main website or support.zyxel.eu. You can also find the quick start guide in the download area and of course in the box of the product. Having a look at the quick start guide, it describes in option A the cloud management as shown before. In option B you use the Zyxel One network utility to find the device in your network and log into the graphical user interface and take configuration steps. Option 2 shows the configuration of the switch on the default static IP with username and password, and option 3 the configuration with a console cable. For any question about the product, visit us on support.zyxel.eu. You can find more than 600 help desk documents and the contact to the support team. I also remind you to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our new episodes. We are done with our episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of our new episodes. Also, you can follow us on Facebook. If you are a reseller and you want to sell Zyxel products, please have a look at partner.zyxel.eu and sign up for an account. We can offer great discount on products, also education and training material, as well as different marketing options for our product. A visit is really worth it. So have a nice day. Thank you very much.
We're Zyxel, and we're your networking ally.
You want to know more about Zyxel products? Go ahead and check the next video and sign up to the channel.